Hi guys, welcome to Cartex, and there it is. After almost 1 year, the slightly over 20,000 kilometers. So my ID.4, almost a year old, and done about 20,000 kilometers. Yeah, what do I think of the car? After a year, I can say it's a really good companion for the long trips, the short trips, and yeah, well, for everything. It's spacious, it drives well, it looks good. Depends on what your opinion is, and yeah, it's a really great car. Range is okay, as you see, 77%, 356 kilometers range left, and that's after a Nürburgring trip this weekend. So the car is a sort hideous. It's a bug splash in the front, so I drove about, I think 700 kilometers, DC charged it for a bit, and yeah, really easy, nothing crazy to that. And also after a year, it's still software 3.1. So many of you guys get the 3.2 software from the dealer as an update. Some of you guys get them over the air, but I'm still on 3.1. Don't know where that thing is, but I don't make a hassle of it. It works fine. No faults, no issues at the moment, so no problem for me. So let's have a look at the long-term usage of battery. 60.8 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers, and in almost 9,000 kilometers, so I don't think that's bad. With a full battery, I'm somewhere in the range of 500 kilometers as a range. Normal use, I will do about 470, 480, so not that bad. And then guys, some more news. The ID.7 is coming. I opted for one as a company car, so this car will be replaced for the ID.7. So I think it's the normal battery, but if I got more info, you guys will hear it from me. So I keep you posted on that. Really can't wait to change the car. I'm a former Passat driver, so really like to see how that car drives, what the range is, what the usage is, and what the new functions are in the new software. So the 4.0, I think. So, as you guys asked for, the car will have the climate control over here in the display instead of just the non-illuminated buttons on the downside of the screen. And also on the outside, not that much changes. The only thing that changes are the tires. I've opted for some Continental tires now. The old Bridgestones were fine, but after about 20,000 kilometers, the rear was completely gone, and the front was also not that bad. So as said, the ID.4, it's a bit of a bug splash in the front now after 700 kilometers, but still looks cool with the black wheels. So guys, what do I think in a year of driving with the ID.4? It's my, I think, 6th or 7th ID.4 at the moment, so really love the car. Love the driving, love the performance. This is the 204 brake horsepower version, so will be replaced for the 286 horsepower from, I think it's week 36 factory wise. So you will be able to order the new motor in a couple of weeks, so let's see what that brings. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys.